Today I want to talk to you about something which I believe is the first thing you should learn when you're starting your journey with photography, and that is composition. Composition is essentially the way that you organize things within your frame. Here are some reasons why I think it is so important. Firstly, composition is the easiest of the photography skills to learn. You don't even need a camera to practice it. You just need to create a square with your fingers just like this, and then you can start moving that around and actually making compositions through the square like this. Secondly, it's just a set of rules. Learn them, follow them, and you'll create some great images. Thirdly, composition is all about looking and seeing. Photography is all about showing things to the viewer of the image, and learning some composition rules will change the way that you see things forever, not just through the lens, but how you look at the world in general. The more you see, the better your photos will become. With composition, you can create images that connect with your viewer. By understanding how composition works, you can lead your viewer's eye through an image and highlight certain parts of that image, keeping them engaged for more than just a second. Setting up a photo becomes quick and simple when you know the rules of composition. If you have a clear understanding of what you are doing, you're going to reduce stress and save time when you're setting up your photos. Composition teaches you to think about what is actually needed within the frame. A big part of photography is actually knowing what to leave out. Focus on what is important and leave out the rest to create a powerful image. And finally, composition helps you to organize your images. No more messy shots. By applying the principles of composition, you can bring harmony to your shots. If you want to dive deeper into the world of composition, then I invite you to sign up for my mini course, The Principles of Composition. In this course, you learn 6 composition rules that will kickstart your photography journey. So what are you waiting for? The link to sign up for the course is in the description. Let's master the art of composition and capture some breathtaking photos together. And just remember, composition is the key to a great photo. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again next week. Bye bye.